Hey, I'm Dan Thomas, and welcome to my channel for the Newbie Woodworker. Or anyone, really. Since you're watching this video, you probably already understand the topic, but give me a sec to bring everyone else up to speed. My Wen disc and belt sanders worked great for over 4 years. It uses what's known as PSA sanding discs. PSA stands for Pressure Sensitive Adhesive, which is a fancy way of saying stick-on. I'm sure you know how they work. Peel off the back and press the sanding disc onto the platen. Then apply pressure to get the adhesive to stick, hence the name Pressure Sensitive Adhesive. The problem with PSA discs is that they can be a pain to remove, and that pretty much means I never change sandpaper grits. And even if I did change grits, you generally can't reuse a PSA disc once you take it off. Or at least I couldn't. Add to that the fact that they stopped sticking to my platen no matter how much I tried to clean it. So it was definitely time for a change. Discs that use hook and loops, often called Velcro, but that's a brand name, are simple to put on and take off. The trick is to get one of these PSA to hook adapters from tosand.com. They're not a sponsor, by the way, and you may be able to find similar adapters elsewhere. In any case, they're pretty inexpensive. Just pick your platen size. Make sure your platen is nice and clean. Then install the adapter the same way you would a normal PSA disc. Make sure you apply pressure over the entire adapter. Once that's done, you can attach a sanding disc easily. And you can swap them out and reuse them over and over again. If you have a table attachment like this, you'll end up with a slightly smaller gap here, but I would think most sanders have enough leeway for that. You'll need to buy hook and loop sanding discs, and although you could probably use the kinds with holes in them, try to find some without holes. I've got links for them and other products in the description below and on my website. That's it, short and sweet. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Thanks!